Hey YouTubers, I got my 2008 Honda Civic here, making a rattling noise coming from the engine. There's two different scenarios where it actually makes this noise. When I'm in park and the AC is on, every time the compressor kicks on, it'll start to rattle. The second scenario is when I'm in drive and I'm at idle, it'll also start to rattle. As soon as I give it gas, it usually goes away. Actually, it always goes away. I haven't really had a chance to look at it, but I did today. I already did some pre-troubleshooting, so I'm gonna point to the exact spot where the rattling is coming from. Like I said, I'm not a mechanic. I don't pretend to be. I do know how to fix stuff, so I'm definitely gonna give this a shot. I found exactly where the rattling is coming from. I don't know what the part's called, but I'm definitely gonna be making a follow-up video as soon as I find out what it is, and I'll also make a video of me replacing whatever needs to get replaced, or tightening whatever needs to get tightened. So first things first, sorry about that long intro. I'm gonna let you guys see or hear if you guys can hear the rattle. Alright, you might have to turn your volume up because I know sometimes the audio is not as good. So let me let the compressor kick on. There it goes, just clicked on. Alright, so let's walk to the engine area. Like I said, I already kind of pre-troubleshooted this. Alright, so right here, see if you guys can hear it. So again, just in case you guys didn't know, a lot of people say that their heat shields on their exhaust manifold or Cadillac converters make noise. I checked mine out, they all came back good, but I did notice this thing. I'm gonna try to get in there as clean as possible. This thing right here. It's actually moving a lot. So what I did was I put in a crowbar, kind of wedge it in this little area, and don't try this at home, okay? Let me take the sacrifice for you guys. So the compressor just kicked on. I wedged this in there, and aha, no rattle. Obviously this ain't a fix, but at least we know where the rattling is actually coming from. My first guess is that that's probably some sort of belt tensioner. Again, I'm not a mechanic. I know you Honda guys could probably jump on here real quick and tell me what that is, so feel free to leave a comment. Again, I'll be making a video where I try to fix it. So follow up with me, guys. Alright, thanks for watching.